size right here and we just go wireframe. Just type in wireframe right there. And then if we go to the rendered mode, you can see that we now have a wireframe working for us. Now the second cube in particular, what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control R. Actually no, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subdivide it, and then we're going to go to the modifier, which is the wireframe, and then we should have a wireframe on here if we go to object mode. So there's one subdivision. If we go to the third one and press edit, I'm going to click right, subdivide again, and then subdivide again, add modifier, wireframe, and then when we go back to the object mode, we should have now a wireframe. Of course, on this third one, I think we're doing a subdivide, subdivide, and then subdivide again. And then object mode. Oh, wait a minute. We gotta add the modifier first, I forgot. Wireframe, and there we go. So now you can see an example of how wireframe works when you're using the modifier. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a little bit of a short one today. I just had to squeeze something in. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your day. Bye.